This under the sink organizer will definitely motivate you to get under your sink all cleaned up and sorted out, and help you stay organized as well, which is the essential part. I thought under my sink was nice and organized, but once I got it cleaned up and put this in here, I was shocked at how much space it helped create. Because it has 2 shelves, it helps you utilize otherwise wasted space and get things up off the bottom of your cabinet. Both the top and bottom pull out, so do keep in mind that whatever you put on there has to be short enough that you could pull it all the way out. I love that it came with this bar that you can put on the side to hang bottles off of, because that also just creates storage that you wouldn't have otherwise had. It has a really pretty matte black finish, and the whole thing is made of metal. It was super easy to assemble. It includes easy to follow instructions, and it's basically just using 8 screws to build the frame, and then you slide the drawers in after you pop them up. They even include a screwdriver that'll help you get the job done. I recommend buying more than one because these come in handy in all different parts of your house, in the kitchen, the pantry, the laundry room, the kids' playroom, and office. The options are just endless.